Machon mado David Maraga kurulano ne biro manyo ten piny Kenya yiero Mariga ma ganro gi 27 kokalo otiko maduon bura ma United Green Movement Party. Maraga lero ni telo mare biro keto mise mare luwo chike ka okang' mane ni piny Kenya odachi makare. Tendo machon no ywak ahinya ni piny Kenya okosebedo kae tayo makare kendo koro nyaka jo Kenya lok nange yiero maduong' mabiro. Olero magi kinde romo ma jo kanyo mag duond bura mar UGM babede na oyore gi jotelo kama mane jo bura machon mandhiwa Agostino Neto.
In line with our party's constitution.
But the Kenyan people have been discriminated along the lines of tribe, along the lines of race, along various bounds. As a political party that believes in equality, we believe that the only thing that Kenyan lacks and that can make us equal is justice.
The founding members forum of the United Green Movement Party, who in their capacity as the party's electoral college have pre-selected me for later nomination by the National Delegates Convention as the presidential flag bearer. I assure you that I will do all in my power to strengthen the party and make it one of the strongest parties in this country. A party that will not only win the presidential election in 2027, but will also have a majority of seats in the national parliament and in various county assemblies.